Greetings from wet and windy Tunbridge Wells in the UK, everyone on LinkedIn. I hope wherever you are, the weather is better than where it is here. I hope everyone's had a good week. I just wanted to give everybody a little bit of an update on my week, actually, because it's highlighted a few different situations I've had with clients, and actually some of these could be really beneficial to some of my clients out there. And I wanted to bring this up in quite a broad conversation. So there's been two or three things that have happened this week, which have been quite unique to a week in recruitment, but it's something I'm seeing more and more trends for. So firstly, we've started the week with a brand new client, a biotechnology company, somebody I actually met with at a conference last year, kept in touch with, who are expanding across Europe. Now, they've just hired a contractor to join their organisation, somebody they identified to join the business, but because they don't have an entity in the country where they are hiring this contractor, they needed a partner company to payroll the candidate. Now, this is something we completely do. We work with companies across Europe to find them contractors and to payroll those contractors for them. But equally, if you identify a candidate yourselves, come to us, we can run a payroll solution for you. Obviously, it's a different way of working, and we wouldn't charge you a normal fee for that. We would simply process that and provide a much cheaper solution for you to run that payroll. So that's one thing, a little bit different, but something we do on a fairly regular basis. Secondly, now this was a company in Germany, actually. So this company, they're actually based in the United States, but they're looking to expand their business into the European market. I've spoken to this company. They're actually based in California a couple of times to help them on a project out there. They were looking to hire somebody in their software engineering team. They're looking to do a build in Germany. Didn't have a lot of market knowledge on the country, so utilised my expertise, having worked in the German market for 12 years. Not sure if you can hear that rain outside, but it's really coming down now. But given that market knowledge, they really wanted to get my understanding of where would be best to set up in Germany, what sorts of positions they would need to hire first, the length of time frame for hiring those people, and finally the sorts of salaries. So I've actually spent the last couple of days putting together a data and information on the salaries for different locations within Germany, the benefits that companies are typically paying, the skill set talent pools that are in place. These are some information I have myself, but also I've got access to around 250 recruiters, a vastly experienced German team who can help me collect that data. So if you're looking to do a build in a different country, always reach out to me. A lot of companies will charge through the nose for that sort of information. Sometimes it's something that is paid for service with us. A lot of the times we are happy to help out if it means more business for us in the long term as well. Finally, we kick-started the year with some new executive searches as well, a VP position with a client who's really looking to grow one of their functions in Switzerland. So we've actually just signed up to bring on board 2 new VPs for a company, but again, very unusual. We do work on C-suite VP searches on that retained basis to help provide that real full 360 executive search service, but it's unusual to be getting 2 in one go from a business. So yeah, that's a little bit about my week. If any of those services would be useful for you, reach out for a conversation. Having a conversation with me doesn't mean that you have to partner up and sign up to any deal with myself, but we can talk, we can find out if there's something where I can add value to your processes, and then if there is, great, we can do business together. Anyway, hopefully the rain will stop soon, and I hope you'll have a lovely evening or day ahead wherever you are. Thank you, and bye-bye.